Wow.
Okay.
See, this is my concern, Richard, with like the framing and stuff on this house, with the areas where they're supposed to flash it. That's all rotted out there. Look at that. Totally rotted out
Oh,
there.
well, that's behind the stairs.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah,
So all
yeah,
the decks
yeah,
and the
yeah,
stairs have significant flashing issues, and obviously that's going to have to be a whole repair on that, because it's literally rotting down to the sill.
Well, there's a water issue because this right here, all this
There's
staining.
definitely some water issues.
That staining on the bottom of the door. There's water coming in behind the front steps into the house. It's coming over here, draining over this way, and that door's been soaking it up. And I think there's water probably going in the garage because of the angle of that driveway. Got any animals?
Yeah, kitty.
You go first.
Yeah, I noticed. I opened it real
That's
slow.
what I paid him for to go.
You know, here's
first.
another thing. Is I'm telling you, all the button-ups, we've got a lot of areas that you're going to have issues.
Can you see? You can see daylight right through that wall. Right here, you can see daylight. You're not supposed to be able to see daylight through a wall in your house. Yeah, we got. Oh, well, here's our animal, maybe. I don't know if you're getting any light in here with that. That's falling down
Yep.
up there. We got more daylight coming in.
in.
So, it smells skunky. Oh, we got mold and everything in here. All right, well, let's go outside and find another reason why we don't want this house until it comes down about $45,000 in price.
There's already somebody living there.
Yeah, but they're not paying the rent. They're not paying the rent. All right, let's go do a quick walk around outside and then we'll be out of here on to the next mess. We're gonna have landscaping costs in this house. The driveway, I told you, the walkway, we gotta resurface those steps. We got no shrubs whatsoever. Put $2,500 in the budget for landscaping. I'm not sure what that is. The well's over there. What do you think that is?
Drywall. Drywall for
Dry
gutters.
well? Oh, okay, yeah, the gutters. No, I don't know, they're draining. Service is okay, we know that. No cracks in the foundation, but yeah, we got issues here. A quick power wash will clean all this up. This will come out looking like brand new. That's not a big issue. We know we have deck issues. Yeah, I don't like these supports at all on this deck. Again, this is leaning. You see that right there? That is not. This is, well, it's a 4x6, but it still should be a. That should be like an 8x8 post if you're going up that high. Yeah. Footing is tilted. That's settled. It's moving down the hill. These cross braces were put in as an afterthought. The deck really should have been built better.
Okay, two issues here, Rich. One, we got a crack in the foundation. It's pretty significant.
Yeah.
And here we get back to those flashing issues that I was talking about on the front porch and the back. All the water running off of that plate, because it's not flashed properly, is literally running down this wall and coming out the bottom here.
Inside of the.
Inside the siding.
Behind the siding. Behind the siding.
So we're going to have to figure on taking all this siding off, resheeting it, fixing the flashing on the deck, and replacing what needs to be done up top too. So we could be looking at, replacing some of the studs in here, and I can for sure guarantee all the insulation.
All right, well, compared to the other house that I did over there last summer, we're already probably double the budget of what that house required, and that house I paid, $45,000 less than this house. So this house has a long way to go. It's been sitting on the market for a while. I think we'll let it sit a little bit longer, see what happens. All right, well, let's get back in the car and we'll head on to our last stop for the day. Maybe we can find a winner. We got to get something going so we can make some money.